Hi guys, it's Patrick for the Grand Auto, and today we are going to be talking about Forza Motorsport 6 coming to PC this spring on Windows 10 for PC gamers, and it's going to be called Forza Motorsport 6 Apex. The Apex was designed for players who are new to the Forza series, and there is a showcase their career mode featuring 12 events narrated by automotive celebrities like James May and Richard Hammond. Additionally, Apex comes with 63 cars, including the 2014 Audi second Audi Team Joust R18 e-tron Quattro, 2017 Ford GT, which looks amazing, and 1973 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am SD455. There are 20 courses to race on across 6 locations: Brands Hatch, Circuit de Spa Francorchamps, Rio de Janeiro, Sebring International Raceway, Top Gear, and Yas Marina. And there are also night and wet weather conditions. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
You ready?